ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
National Vice President ka National People's Party uba Prestone Tensong ula Kyntait war halor ka Hamsaïa bau Dr. Didi Lapang unsa Leit Phai biang siya ka Seng Congress. Habaya keren bat ka Batisi TV uba Prestone ulaong haduk menta omdon satia watang uweiru udkhot jong ka Seng NPP uba penpau ba un Leit Phai siya ka Seng Congress namar ba barok kitiplut ya ka jinglong jingman jong ka Seng Congress kumba kalong menta la kalong hapok kari India barok kawai lani hapok kani ka jela Meghalaya.
Shifting the party from us to Congress. It is not that. Except those person who is not at all expert in seeing the situation of Congress. Those who does not know exactly what is the situation within the Congress party, be it in the state or be it in the national level, they may do so. But the rest, seasoned politician, I'm just telling you, I don't think they'll join Congress. I don't think they'll join Congress. Why? You know well. Even Madame Sonia Gandhi herself, she admitted that we have so much of differences in fighting within the party. She admitted. She already given a statement. So even Pala, MPC president, he said, yes, I have a difference with Mukul Sangma. So it's very clear. So there is no secret anymore. So as long as the infighting takes place, you just believe me, you become divided. The moment you become divided in the party means we call it a broken family. The moment it becomes a broken family means we call it a sinking ship. A sinking ship means ultimately you need to jump from the ship, otherwise you will be dead. I'll tell you right now. I'll not tell you anything right now. It's our strategy, politically means why should I tell you everything about it? So just see and watch. Means he talked to himself. Is he trying to say that Congress did not do that? When I was in the Congress, we used to, it is mandatory that we have to contribute to the party. Not in the state, it goes to to Delhi for strengthening the party in different states in India. So why not he first ask himself, why should he contributed a lot to AICC? What for? Okay, so you please go and ask him this question. Say that Prestone asking you this question.